Hello! May gawain po tayo. Hi!
Today is verse is Proverbs 3:5-6. Do not put your heart to the Lord. You put your heart to the Lord. The Lord will lead you your path. So many people in the world, they're hurt. They're living in themselves. Especially in Philippines. When I was 20 years ago, I come to Philippines. Then, on the TV, when I turn on, every time they do action movie. Yeah. And then also, and now I come, when I see her papa watching TV, and then also sing. This one is the melody. This one is the melody. I'll explain why this is. There's a Tino, and then other place, many Patay. And then Cebu in other place, very hard, disaster. Also, other place is even now we have to stand before God. Other people are focusing in this. Then we have to focus the life of Jesus. And then we have to, or we don't know, Jesus will come. I know, I believe Jesus will come. But you don't know future. 1 minute later, 5 minutes later, 10 minutes later, you don't know. Right? Some other people, when they sleep, they go to bed. Because in this kind of activity. So we don't know. It is important what we are in the position. Like some other pastor, you are in the member. In your member, some of the people doing singing well, playing guitar well, and then other things, they do best. They do best. 이것이 동조 믹스가 페어 없이 디스커션이나 저희 렉처 지원자의 프레젠스 이것이 the values of 동조 믹스가 페어 없이 디스커션이나 저희 렉처 지원자의 프레젠스 이것이 the source of 동조 믹스가 페어 없이 디스커션이나 저희 렉처 지원자의 프레젠스 이것이 the speech of 동조 믹스가 페어 없이 디스커션이나 저희 렉처 지원자의 프레젠스 이것이 the heart of 동조 믹스가 페어 없이 dito sa Mindanao po,